Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this because I'm going to be dropping more tutorial videos on this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to log into tubebuddy on Android. It can be a bit difficult and a bit tricky if you don't know how to log into tubebuddy and if you don't know this trick. So let's get started. If you don't know what tubebuddy is an app that helps you improve your YouTube experience, your YouTube creator experience. I won't be doing a full review of the app. I'm just going to show you how to log in because I can't actually do that in this video. This is a short tutorial video on how to log in. If you want to log into tubebuddy, don't use the default browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to your Me browser or any browser you have on your device. For me, I have Me browser on my phone, so I'm going to open Me browser. I'm going to log in from there. As you can see, my account is already logged in. You have to log in your account, so I'll just click on my account here, my Google account. As we ask, allow this page to open tubebuddy. Click on OK and wait for a short while before going back to tubebuddy. Now you can go back to tubebuddy. In the first place, we had an error because we didn't click back to the app quick. So while it's loading, I will advise you click back to tubebuddy. If you are to use the default browser from tubebuddy, it will take hours. Hours. That's how we log into tubebuddy on Android. If you find this video helpful and if you enjoyed the video, please drop a comment, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.